You want to learn how to add a recommended channel to your YouTube channel. Welcome to the Dr. Nicky Show, Dr. Nicky Naders. I hope you're having a great day or night. Let's say that you want to add or shout out a friend's YouTube channel in your own YouTube channel. Maybe you're even doing an exchange. You add his YouTube channel, he'll add your YouTube channel, and you can help both of yourselves out by leveraging each other's audience for a chance to get recognized and convert into subscribers. I know this might have sounded a little bit complicated, but the way to do that is very simple, and this is exactly what I'll show you in this video. This is an OBS tutorial where you learn exactly that. All we want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can actually get a free copy of in the description down below. Let's get back to my computer, or for the first time to my computer. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Okay, so what you do is, if you're on YouTube right here, you click this button, click on your channel, and that will basically just get you to your channel, right, where you have the video that you want everyone to see. For example, I just uploaded the video 1 hour ago and it's shown here. But to actually have a section here with some featured channels, you gotta click this button, customize channel. You click it really quickly, you don't have to wait for everything to load up. And from here, you have a lot of options. You can change this thing, you can change what popular videos you want here, what uploads, what playlist you want. But the feature we're actually looking for in this video is actually this one, featured channels, right? You want to add channels here. So all you gotta do is click on add channels and get their URLs. The URL is basically the channel link, right? For example, the Dr. Nicky channel is actually this. Just go ahead, copy that and add a channel here. Just click this one, click this thing, paste my channel, click on add, and you cannot add your own channel, but I can have someone else's. For example, if I just go on YouTube and go on PewDiePie's channel, I can click on copy link address, click on add channels right here. Go here, paste PewDiePie's channel and click add, and right, you see it. And you can even change it. Instead of featured channels, you can change the title to you should also subscribe to, and add whatever you want, right? In our situation, we want it. So this is it. It was pretty simple now, eh? And let me know whose channel do you want to feature. If you feature my channel, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And you know what? If you do that, comment your YouTube username down below and I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. And here are the shout out winners on this video. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video you should definitely check one of these videos out. Now, bye.